Hi everyone, this is Alfine, and today we are going to calculate price change by using duration and convexity. So let's start. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use same Jupyter notebook which I have used for the calculation of duration, modified duration and convexity. Import all the libraries which are required here. I'm not going to repeat what I have done here. So I would recommend you to check my previous video and then you will understand what exactly I have done for the calculation of duration, modified duration, and convexity. So let's start. Here I'm calculating price change by using duration and convexity. So the formula here is price change is equal to duration effect plus convexity effect. So let's calculate it. Price change is equal to, under bracket, what I'm going to do, negative of duration into change in yield multiplied by 100 plus 0.5, which is 1 divided by 2, into convexity into change in yield. We need to make sure that both change in yield spelling should be same because there was a typo. So I'm going to do one thing. Let me complete the formula, then I'll do that. Into, let's put this under bracket, square into 100. So we got the formula of price change. Duration into change in yield into 100 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5, into convexity into change in yield square into 100. So this is the factor which is required as an input. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just pasting change in yield. And then we need to print price change. And we already have this information available. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say 0.015. Let's run this first. Let's run this. All right. So we got our price change in terms of percentage. So the percentage will be negative 13.53. In this case, interest rate is increased. What if interest rate is decreased? Let's put a negative sign and run this. So the positive change we have noticed is 14.54%. If you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.